Writing articles online is a fantastic way to make some extra cash. There are plenty of websites out there looking for talented writers to fill their blogs with interesting niche content. When you're looking for a side hustle, you might run across some of these listings, promising somewhere around $50 to $100 per article, and often will offer more for people who send them more articles over time. The thing is, not all of us have the time or ability to write high-quality articles for web publications. That doesn't mean this opportunity can't apply to you too. With high-quality, plagiarism-free work, you could be making money without ever needing to write a word. Welcome back to I Publish Ghostwriters, where we're here to help you save money and start new streams of income from the comfort of your home. Today, we're going to show you how you can make some serious money without having to write the articles. It's quick, easy, and you'll be making money in no time. If you like videos like this, make sure you leave a like for us down below so we can continue to provide you with the content you're looking for. If you're new to the channel but want to learn more about making money on your own from the comfort of your home, then go ahead and subscribe and make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video. If you spend a little time Googling and you search something like best websites to make money writing articles, you're gonna be met with plenty of different options. Some of the best ones include Wow, Women on Writing, Copy Hackers, Listverse, Linkable, Cracked, Watch Culture, Metro Parent, UX Booth. There are plenty of different options, and all of them come with their niches, guidelines, and payouts. Websites like Copy Hackers pay out much higher than usual, $300 to $1,000 per article if they accept it. There is a light querying process. However, we want to find a great mixture of payout and easy submission guidelines. In that case, today we're gonna focus on Listverse for this video. Listverse. Listverse has plenty of opportunities, and their payout is an easy, painless process that you can use no matter where you are in the world. PayPal is a fantastic international tool for making money online because it bridges that region-locked payment block you might face elsewhere. What you're looking at on Listverse is, you write a list and they'll either approve or deny it, and if you're approved, you earn $100 on PayPal. Have a native level understanding of the English language, and know the kind of content that they will publish. If you look at the sidebar, the content is broken into bizarre, entertainment, general knowledge, lifestyle, science, society, and more. So you can gear your articles towards those. So we have the website, but what about the content? If you're able to write the content on your own, the sky may feel like the limit. But when creating an accessible online income, you need to try to gear yourself towards volume over time. This would be a considerable time investment, and not everyone has that ability. That's where our following websites comes in handy. Upwork and Fiverr. Your first thought for this may be to outsource the work directly. This is a good thought, and once you develop your project workflow, you can go this route and automate the process altogether. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr will connect you with often discounted services to write and produce content for you. These services are good, but often take a few misses before you hit the mark. The other thing is that this can often be a costly endeavor, especially if you're dealing with writers who don't produce high-quality work. It's not saying this is a bad idea, but it won't necessarily work for everyone. Down the line, you can use ghostwriters like this regularly and hopefully resell the content to the platform of your choosing at a higher price. Making an account on Fiverr and Upwork is easy, and it can help connect you to freelancers who will often work with you long-term. However, when you're just starting your endeavor, this method may feel costly and end in more frustration than you want to deal with. Finding free or low-cost ways to meet the mark will be a valuable tool, especially when you're first starting. Articles Factory and Article City. These are two websites you can use to find free content online to publish. They're platforms you can use to find the content you're going to then sell for payouts on Listverse. On both, they offer you a variety of niches you can look through and find topics that will work. You have topics varying from business, finance, celebrities, entertainment, and so much more. Anything under the sun. You need to spend the time going through these websites and picking articles that catch your eye, and work with the platform of your choice. The largest time investment here will be rooting through the articles you have available for you. If you're not careful, you may pick one with outdated information or irrelevant facts. You'll want to invest the little time required to go through the articles you select and ensure they're of high quality before continuing. Now, you may be wondering, how are you allowed to post articles you haven't written? If you copied and pasted the work online, you would be quickly taken down or denied due to copyright or plagiarism. The next step will make the difference and bridge the gap between you picking out your content and making money. Rewriting software. You're gonna want to take these articles and bring them over to a specifically made platform for your purposes. The generator will take any text and rewrite it into unique material that will pass any plagiarism checker for your benefit. Some websites that will provide this service include Spinbot.com, SpinRewriter.com. All you're gonna need to do is copy your content over into one of these platforms. Spinbot will run you around $10 for a month, or at the discounted rate for a whole year for $75. With ads and CAPTCHA, it is an otherwise free tool you don't have to pay for. The limitations are 10,000 characters or around 1,000 words per spin, and rules or restrictions only exist in very extreme cases. Spin Rewriter offers a free 5-day trial and costs between $47 a month to $77 for a whole year. While it's not a free service, you can try it before you buy it so you can make sure it fits your purposes. The platform is worth its weight in gold, as its proprietary ENL semantic spinning is made to communicate the same message and understand your text so that you're given high quality and readable spun versions of your original article. It has a one-click rewrite button, so you can even make the process a little more automated. Whatever platform you want to use, you can make that choice. Spinbot is free, which is great when you're just starting, but it comes with a time investment that Spin Rewriter's premium service cuts out. You may need to go back through both of these platforms' results and make sure they read in a clear, easy to understand language. The best way to go back through it is using a service like Grammarly to check it and make sure the grammar and word choice still make sense, as well as their premium plagiarism checker giving you a good idea of how well the articles were spun to be unique. And that's it! Once you produce these articles, you can submit them to websites like Listverse or one of the other platforms we mentioned. Doing the research upfront on your platform and the content they're looking for will make your search easier and create a consistent flow of income. Many of these services will pair you with an editor to handle visual media on your articles, so it's even easier than it sounds. In the end, you can use Listverse to pay yourself out via PayPal and make semi-consistent income writing articles without any experience and no matter where you are. And that's all for today. Hopefully this has provided you the instructions you need to start making money publishing articles. But if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below. And while you're down there, make sure you've subscribed and have post notifications turned on. That way, you won't miss out on any money-making content that we put out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.